Hey, it's Elizabeth Lawsuit Tracker. The transfer order for the Depo Provera lawsuit just dropped, and great news, the lawsuit is officially a federal case. It was assigned to the Northern District of Florida, which was surprising to me, but nonetheless, that is the venue that was chosen by the JPML, or the Committee of the Federal Government, who's in charge of these types of litigations. Consolidation of this case to one federal court helps streamlines the process, and it's really beneficial for all parties involved. It makes sure that there's no inconsistent rulings, and it kind of keeps us moving in a timely fashion. Now, MDLs typically do take years, 5 to 6, but it's still a big win that this is officially a federal case. This MDL is going to include the name brand Depo Provera as well as the generic versions, and this is specifically limited to plaintiffs who use Depo or the generic brand and then suffered from an intracranial meningioma. Sometimes meningiomas are on the spinal cord. This litigation is not looking at that. It's only the intracranial meningiomas, and this is the only injury currently being looked at for this litigation. There was talks or hopes of maybe other injuries being included. As of right now, though, that is not the case. Next steps in this case will be a status hearing. So they will have to decide which lawyers are going to be on the plaintiff leadership group. So basically which lawyers are in charge of discovery, depositions, finding experts, things of that nature. And they will really be the front runners for this case for everyone else involved. And lastly, this order assigns the case to the Honorable Judge Casey Rogers, who was in charge of the 3M earplug litigation. So basically, this judge has extensive experience with product liability cases and should be in great hands. So very exciting stuff. I will keep you updated with more news to come, who's on the leadership committee. Please leave any questions you might have below, and I look forward to keeping you updated on this. Thanks.